India backs digital laws. 5G is now officially IN. NASA says heat will only increase. 110 million worth footprint. Low maintenance water harvesting system. Hello, and my name is Rajvi Nath and you're watching the WYM Daily News. NID students build low maintenance rainwater harvesting system. Team Linker, comprising of students from National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh, have developed a Wi-Fi mounted microcontroller that can integrate sensors for smart harvesting of rainwater. The system requires minimal human intervention. Their main aim was to spread the importance of harvesting rainwater, but then they realized that it often fails because of the effort required to maintain the system. The system developed by the NID students can automate the process of water storage, reduction in waterborne diseases, and efficient storage. India slams UN rapporteurs who criticize new IT rules. India has slammed UN special rapporteurs who have criticized the new IT rules announced in February in a strongly worded rebuttal. The India mission in Geneva highlighted that India's democratic credentials are well recognized and right to freedom of speech and expression is guaranteed under the Indian Constitution. India sees lowest COVID-19 cases since March 24. As the second wave of infections appears to be going down, India recorded 53,000 new COVID-19 cases. This is the fourth consecutive day in the last 2 months, and the COVID death toll in India below 2,000 mark. It is also the 14th consecutive day when India has reported less than 1 lakh new COVID cases. Footprints of last dinosaurs to walk UK have been found. Footprints are the last 16 different species of dinosaurs, which were the very last dinosaurs to walk on UK soil 110 million years ago, have been found in Kent. The footprints were discovered in the cliffs and on the foreshore of Folkestone, Kent, where stormy conditions affect the cliff and coastal waters and are constantly revealing new fossils. This is the first time dinosaur footprints have been found in strata known as the Folkestone Formation. And it's a very quite extraordinary discovery because these dinosaurs would have been the last to roam in the country before becoming extinct. Australia rejects $36 billion project. The Australian government has rejected plans for a $36 billion wind, solar and hydrogen project in a remote area of Western Australia. The project, located in the state's Pilbara region, was designed to initially build 15 gigawatts of renewable energy, eventually to be expanded to 26 gigawatts and produce green hydrogen and ammonia for export. Australia has rejected this project, which has been one of the world's largest green energy projects, in limbo for now. A new start to the world. Mobile technology was first introduced in India in 1995 to 2003. The sector suffered major litigation and only grew 10 million by 2003. Now we have crossed another major hurdle, a subset of the third and fourth industrial revolution, the 5G communication technology. Unless we prepare well, there will be another round of slow implementation. The 5G network has started working in China, South Korea and the US. Let's talk about the second test match against West Indies and South Africa. After fighting 70-run stand between Rassie van der Dussen and Kagiso Rabada, South Africa are in command of the second test match against West Indies.